Hey everyone! Aluminum foil has been a kitchen MVP for lining baking sheets, wrapping up leftovers, and even cooking meals. But did you know this shiny kitchen staple is capable of so much more? That's right! Aluminum foil is the ultimate multitasker waiting to make your life easier, save you time, and cut down on cost. If you're on the hunt for ways to boost efficiency in your day-to-day life, you're in the right place. Get ready to dive into some of the most surprising and clever aluminum foil hacks out there. Let's kick off with these 12 simple, yet game-changing tips everyone should know. Get sharp. Sharpen your scissors. Got a pair of scissors that have seen better days? Grab some aluminum foil. It might sound odd, but aluminum foil can give those dull blades a new lease on life. Simply take a piece of foil, fold it multiple times to create several layers, and start cutting through it. After about 7 or 8 snips, you'll notice your scissors are slicing smoother and sharper than before. DIY funnel. Quick fix in a flash. Ever find yourself needing a funnel at the most inconvenient time? Aluminum foil to the rescue. Grab a piece of heavy-duty foil, fold it in half for extra strength, and shape it into a cone. What's fantastic about this DIY funnel is its flexibility. You can easily adjust it to fit into those awkward spaces, making pouring liquids a mess-free task. Ironing in a flash. Cut down ironing time. Ironing isn't everyone's favorite chore, especially when you're pressed for time. Here's a neat trick. Place a sheet of aluminum foil under your ironing board cover. The foil reflects heat, which means you'll smooth out wrinkles quicker than ever. It's like giving your iron a power-up for speedier, more efficient ironing. Bye-bye static. Remove static from clothes. Tired of battling static cling in your laundry? Forget about commercial dryer sheets and their lingering scents. Instead, crumple up 2 or 3 aluminum foil balls, each about 2 to 3 inches in diameter, and toss them into the dryer with your clothes. These shiny little heroes help neutralize static, keeping your clothes fluttering freely and even reduce drying time. Baking cakes in any shape. Ever wanted to bake a cake in a shape you don't have a mold for? Aluminum foil is here to save the day. With some heavy-duty foil and a bit of creativity, you can form any shape you desire inside a standard cake pan. Pour in your batter and bake. Once done, peel away the foil to reveal your custom-shaped creation. It's a fantastic way to personalize cakes for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion that calls for something a little extra. No more sticky situations. Catch ice cream cone drips. We all know the struggle of trying to enjoy an ice cream cone without making a mess, especially when it comes to kids. But fear not, there's a simple yet effective hack to keep those sticky situations at bay. Just wrap the bottom of the cone with a piece of aluminum foil. This nifty trick catches any drips, keeping hands and clothes clean. It's a game changer for parents and ice cream lovers alike. Garden Guardian. Protect your vegetable garden. Here's a clever way to safeguard your garden from those unwelcome visitors. By incorporating strips of aluminum foil into your garden mulch, you not only deter pests, but also add a touch of sparkle to your plants. The reflective properties of the foil bounce sunlight back onto your plants, creating a subtle shimmer. Plus, many garden pests are less likely to invade when they're met with the foil's shiny and unfamiliar surface. It's a simple, eco-friendly solution to keep your garden thriving and pest-free. Baking perfection. Bake a perfect pie. The quest for the perfect pie. A challenge for even the most seasoned bakers. But here's a secret weapon: aluminum foil. Wrapping the edges of your pie crust with strips of foil can prevent them from burning, ensuring that every slice has the ideal balance of crisp cut and tender filling. This trick allows the rest of your pie to bake evenly to golden perfection without worrying about singed edges. It's the little things that can make a big difference in the kitchen. Rescuing hardened brown sugar. Nothing's more annoying than reaching for brown sugar only to find it's turned into a brick. But there's no need to fret or throw it out. With a bit of aluminum foil in your oven, you can bring it back to life. Just chip off what you need, wrap it in foil, and pop it in the oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep an eye on it, checking for softness every few minutes. This simple trick will crumble that sugar brick back into the soft, powdery sweetness you need for your baking magic. Simplifying paint cleanup. For the DIY enthusiast out there, here's a tip that will make painting projects a little less daunting. Lining your paint roller pans with aluminum foil can save you from the dreaded cleanup afterwards. This method isn't just easy, it's also kind to your wallet, compared to buying disposable liners every time. Once you're done painting, just lift the foil out, toss it away, and give the pan a quick rinse. You're welcome. Keeping breads warm. There's something about warm bread and dinner rolls that just feels like home. To keep that cozy feeling going, especially if you're entertaining or picnicking, aluminum foil is your friend. Wrap your bread or rolls in a napkin, then tuck them into a foil blanket to trap the heat. Your guests will be greeted with soft, warm bread that tastes freshly baked. It's a simple touch that can make any meal feel more special. Secure that tile. No more loose ends. Loose vinyl floor tiles can be a real nuisance, but there's no need to fret when you have aluminum foil on hand. Here's a quick fix. Cover the problematic tile with foil and gently heat it with an iron set to medium heat. This softens the adhesive, making the tile pliable. Pry the tile up just enough to apply fresh adhesive, then press it firmly back into place. To ensure that it stays put, weigh it down with a stack of books or bricks until the adhesive sets. Voila! Your tile is as good as new. Aluminum foil isn't just for wrapping leftovers or lining your baking trays. It's a versatile ally ready to tackle a wide range of tasks around your home. From crafting an emergency funnel to securing a stubborn vinyl tile, these hacks demonstrate just how invaluable aluminum foil can be. So next time you come across a household challenge, remember, aluminum foil might just be the solution you need. If you found these hacks helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share with friends, and subscribe for more creative solutions. Stay tuned and never miss a trick to make your life easier and more efficient. Thanks for joining us for these handy tips. Please be well, be wise, and take care.